Meat 1 kilogram. Add garlic cloves 20 to 25. Small onion. 1 small tomato. Add 2 cup hot water. Add green cardamom, black cardamom, cloves, black pepper, cinnamon stick. Add salt to taste. Whistle 15 minutes. Meat 99% cook. Put in plate. Water should be dry. Add 1 tsp coriander, seeds crushed. A quarter tsp cumin, seeds crushed. 1 tsp red chili powder. One tsp curry powder. Add oil. Add meat. Mix and fry. Mix. Add 1 cup hot water. Mix well. Add green chilies. Garnish with green coriander. Mix. Add ginger julienne cut. Like, share, subscribe. Today's special meat in menu. Coon Food Official.